I am a registered nurse in Nashville, Tennessee, and my name is Kalila Mitchell. I'm reaching out to everyone about the COVID-19 vaccination. I recently took the COVID-19 vaccination. After the shot, I felt fine, but within 3 days, I went to the doctor because I had problems with my face. The whole left side of my face, actually. I have Bell palsy now. And as you can see, I can't smile. I'm trying to smile. I'm just getting embarrassing for it. But I just want everyone to know that I think this vaccination is the worst thing ever. And I would not give this to anybody, even my worst enemy. Please, America, they do not care about us. Do not take this vaccination.
Well, another 100 doses of COVID-19 vaccine were administered today to healthcare workers at UF Health Jacksonville.
But with a new vaccine comes a lot of questions and, unfortunately, misinformation. So Lauren Verno and our News4JAX Trust Index team is hard at work to help separate fact and fiction. So, Lauren, what did you find out?
Tarek, Joy, so what we know right now, this is the post that is circulating around social media. It's a tweet that says, these are 3 of the 4 volunteers who developed Bell's palsy after being vaccinated with the Pfizer's COVID-19 vaccine. So that's where we started with our trust index.
This is something that's popular going around social media now, particularly amongst the anti-vaccination crowd.
UF Health Jacksonville Director of Infectious Disease Chad Nielsen says misleading posts like this one are very common and reminds everyone not everything you read on social media is true.
There's no evidence of that for this vaccine yet. Certainly when Pfizer released their clinical trial information, the adverse events were reported. There was nothing serious. I'll go on and say there were deaths in the clinical trial, none of which were due to the vaccine.
To be clear, 4 participants in the Pfizer vaccine trial and 4 participants in Moderna's trial did experience Bell's palsy, which in its simplest form causes the face to droop. In Pfizer's trial, all 4 participants who experienced Bell's palsy received the COVID vaccine. However, in Moderna's trial, 3 participants who experienced Bell's palsy got the vaccine, 1 got the placebo. Dr. Elizabeth Ransom with Baptist Health says that should not deter anyone from getting the vaccine.
Just like there were some cases of appendicitis in study participants, both in the placebo arm and in the vaccine arm. Well, appendicitis happens in the population as well. So these things will occur naturally.
The FDA recognized these cases of Bell's palsy before approving Pfizer's COVID-19 vaccine, but says there is no evidence to link the two. It's important to note that the reaction didn't happen immediately after the vaccine was administered, but in all cases weeks later. The FDA is now recommending surveillance of cases of Bell's palsy as more people get vaccinated. Now, since there is no scientific directly linking the two, we are going to mark this claim as not true on the Trust Index. And as for this picture here, this photo appears in an article about Bell's palsy dated November 20th, 2019, well before the first documented cases of COVID-19 in the United States. So we are also going to mark this as not true on the Trust Index. I'm Lauren Verno, Channel 4, the local station.